So, the first thing to remember is always check the expiry date on food. So always check for a good few days or enough time so you can eat it on the day you've planned.
Ah, okay. Oh yes, this chicken's expiry date is tomorrow.
Expired food can cause food poisoning and other health problems. It's always better to be safe than sorry.
That makes sense.
You can choose packs from the back of the shelf. That's often the newest stock.
Great tip!
Another tip is to compare prices and look for deals. It can save you a lot of money in the long run.
Ah, I see. Then we can spend the extra money on a treat.
Exactly. It's also a good idea to check the ingredients. Sometimes the cheaper options are fine, but often they have added salt and sweeteners to make them tastier.
Oh, really?
Yep. And as we know, these are fine as a treat, but not all the time.
Definitely.
Also, try to avoid impulse buying. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Making a list helps you stay focused and avoid buying unnecessary items.
I see. Those are some great tips for shopping wisely. Thanks for teaching me, Mom.
You're welcome, sweetie. Remember, shopping wisely can help you save money and make better purchasing decisions.